What's the meaning of Barclaycard? Barclaycard. Barclaycard.
Barclaycard. Barclaycard. Barclaycard is a brand of credit card issued by Barclays Bank. The history of Barclaycard dates back to 1966, when it was introduced as the first credit card in the UK. Since then, it has become one of the most recognized and trusted credit card brands around the world. The card offers a range of benefits, including cashback rewards, balance transfers, and travel perks. Additionally, Barclaycard provides customers with advanced security features to protect against fraud and identity theft. Over the years, Barclaycard has evolved to keep pace with changing customer needs and trends, cementing its position as a leading provider of credit cards globally.